Guys, so right now I'm just chilling. We just came back from Doodle Door. Doodle Door, is that how you say?
Yeah, Doodle Door.
Yeah, Doodle Door. So हिजो चाहिँ म मेरो भाइ अनि बुढा हामी वेमोट बीच गएको थियो for our little picnic and it was very fun. We took lots of picture and it was fun. So yep, आज पनि हामी गएको थियो डरलडोल तर it was very windy so we came back early र अहिले चाहिँ हामी बसिरहेको we are chilling around. बिहान चाहिँ मैले थुप्पा बनाएको थिएँ चिकन थुप्पा सबैको लागि. So we had that and went to Doodle. After that we came home and right now we are just chilling after eating our snack. अनि हामीले सेन्सबरी गएको थियो so हामीले त्यहाँबाट आइसक्रिम लिएर आएको छ my favorite ice cream which I'm going to show you later. भरे फिल्म हेर्दै खाने प्लान छ हाम्रो चाहिँ. And yup, अहिले चाहिँ बसिरहेको my brother is here. Say hi Viku.
Hi guys.
So he's just here. We are just chilling. अनि भरे बेलुका अहिले एकछिनमा चाहिँ हामीले what was that? Yeah. So it's just a Skype call. तर yeah, I will answer that in a bit. अनि त्यही हो हामी अहिले बसिरहेको भरे हामी चाहिँ BBQ बनाएर खाने प्लान छ. So yep, it will be a fun night and dinner, so stay tuned. Guys, so I want to show you something. मेरो भाइले चाहिँ मलाई हिजो वेमटमा अलिकति सामानहरु किन्देको थियो. I want to show you that. He got me this heart shaped Weymouth magnet which is kind of cute. As you can see, there is a beach, a train and this tower and all kinds of stuff. So it's kind of cute. Very cute memory from Weymouth beach. And he also got me this cute fox ring. As you can see, it's very cute and it fits me very nicely and I just love it. So thank you Bikku. Yeah, he's just eating chips and chilling around. So yep, I'm going to put my ring on and stick this on my fridge. So yep, that's my brother. He's drinking Coke and I have my magnet over here, Weymouth magnet. अनि यिनीहरु चाहिँ यो सब म्याग्नेटहरु चाहिँ म जहाँ जहाँ गएको छु त्यहाँबाट मैले कलेक्ट गरेर लिएर आएको हो. म लेट मी फोकस दिस वान. सो म वेमथ गए yesterday. म बुर्ने पनि गएको छु. त्यो चाहिँ कसरी भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो चाहिँ फ्लाइट डिले भइगयो थियो हामी हङकङ जाने बेलामा. सो तिनीहरुले चाहिँ हामीलाई होटल अनि रूम्सहरु प्रोवाइड गरेको थियो. सो हामीले एक दिन बुर्ने घुम्न पाएको थियो म र मेरो सिस्टरले. सो we were very happy. Some people were, you know, kind of rude and they were not liking the fact that they have to stay one day over there, but we were very happy because we love to travel. Yeah, and it was fun. So I've been there, Burne, and I've also been to Ponmot Beach and Newquay Beach, and I've also what's this place called, Biko? Big Buddha. Yeah, Hong Kong ko Big Buddha ni gएको थियो हामी. So that's that. And Blackpool. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एनिभर्सरी मनाउनको लागि हामी गएको थियो ब्ल्याकपुल. अनि त्यसपछि दिस इज उप्स यो चाहिँ सफारी पार्क हो. यो चाहिँ कहाँ छ भने स्टाफोर्डमा छ आई बिलिभ. स्टाफोर्डशायरमा छ. सो त्यो भयो आई थिंक. या अनि मेरो बुढा चाहिँ फ्लोरिडा गएको थियो. सो ही गट दिस फ्रम फ्लोरिडा. सो यप, आई एम गोइङ टु कीप अन एडिङ अल द magnets and stuff from all over the place where I have been, and it's gonna be really cute. अर्को गर्दा अर्को We like this song. Yay. Yeah, I've got my ring on. Put it. So मेरो बुढा बाहिर रनिङ गर्नको लागि गएको थियो. So he's back and now we are going to make our BBQ and I will show you all the stuff. Just a second. यो चाहिँ मेरो चिकन विंग्स हो. मैले चाहिँ बिहान बनाएर राखेको थिएँ, म्यारिनेट गर्नको लागि राखेको थिएँ. अनि यो चाहिँ हाम्रो पोर्क बेली हो. So yep, I'm gonna mix it one more time and then we will start our barbecue. मेरो बुढाले चाहिँ आगो कोइलाहरु प्रिपेयर गर्दै छ and my brother is tired so he's sleeping. So I will catch you guys in a bit. यो चाहिँ म मेरो चटनी बनाउँदै हो BBQ को लागि and मैले चटनी को रेसिपीहरु 2-3 वटा हालेको छु मेरो च्यानलमा. So please make sure to check them out. It's for MoMo but you can eat that chutney with anything. It goes with anything, BBQ, rice, dal, tarkali, anything you want to eat. It goes very well with any dish. So make sure to check that out and give it a try. Ani bhayo bhane soon I will upload a recipe for my BBQ chicken wings and BBQ pork belly. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I haven't filmed that tutorial but I will definitely film that in my near future. And yep, we'll see you guys in a bit. Whoa. Right now we are making our barbecue as you can see, and yep, we are going to make our barbecue. It's kind of gloomy and it looks like it's going to rain but hopefully it won't. So yep, we are going to make our BBQ and eat that stuff. I was going to say shit, so sorry. Our barbecue is ready. Kasto sabeko?
It's really good. Yeah.
Okay, we are going to enjoy our BBQ and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so अहिले भर्खर हामीले हाम्रो BBQ खाएर भ्यायो. Next we are going to watch our movie and eat this delicious ice cream. If you haven't tried this, please give it a try. It's super yummy. And yep, I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Take care.